Application for ex parte order to disclose returns and return information. Form 516, also known as the Application for Ex Parte Order to Disclose Returns and Return Information, is a legal document used to request access to tax returns and return information of an individual or entity. It is typically filed in a court of law to obtain confidential tax information for purposes such as litigation, investigations, or other legal proceedings. An ex parte application is used for one party to ask the court for an order without providing the other party, i.e., the usual amount of notice or opportunity to write in opposition. The ex parte application must show there is an emergency such that there will be irreparable harm or immediate danger if the order is not granted. The application follows a specific procedure, which typically includes the following steps. Filing the application, the applicant, usually an attorney or authorized representative, submits the completed Form 516 to the appropriate court. The form provides details about the case, the reasons for seeking access to the tax information, and the specific tax years or periods in question. Ex parte nature. An ex parte application means that the request is made without involving the other party or parties affected by the disclosure. In this case, the application is made without prior notice to the individual or entity whose tax information is being sought. Ex parte orders are typically granted in exceptional circumstances where immediate access to the information is necessary, and providing prior notice could compromise the investigation or legal proceedings. Judicial review. Once the application is submitted, a judge reviews the request and determines whether there are sufficient grounds to grant access to the tax returns and return information. The judge considers the legal arguments presented, the nature of the case, and the potential impact on privacy rights before making a decision. Order granting or denying access. If the judge finds the application to be valid and justifiable, an ex parte order is issued, granting access to the requested tax information. The order may specify the conditions and limitations of access, such as restricting disclosure to authorized parties and maintaining the confidentiality of the information. Regarding eligibility, individuals or entities involved in legal proceedings, investigations, or specific circumstances that require access to tax returns and return information can apply for an ex parte order. Generally, attorneys, authorized representatives, or individuals acting pro se representing themselves may file the application. It is important to note that the specific requirements and procedures may vary depending on the jurisdiction and the applicable laws governing the disclosure of tax information. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a legal professional or review the relevant statutes and regulations before proceeding with the application. If you have any queries regarding this application for ex parte order to disclose returns and return information, feel free to comment in the comment box.